Ever pondered the intricacies of cryptocurrency mining? Fascinated by the thought of earning digital currency from the comfort of your own home? Well, the solution might be simpler than you think. Welcome to the world of preloaded mini PCs, the user-friendly gateway to the incredible world of crypto mining. Imagine a device small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, preloaded with all the software you need to start mining cryptocurrency. This is not a dream, but a reality with our preloaded mini PCs. These devices are designed to mine a specific cryptocurrency, in this case it's $FRI, by validating our decentralized data storage system. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. The brand of the mini PC you receive may vary based on where you're located in the world, and you may receive a different model based on availability. But rest assured, regardless of the brand or model, it will earn the same amount of $FRI as advertised. And here's another cool thing. We strive to use recycled mini PCs as much as possible. That's our little effort to contribute to a greener planet. However, due to device availability, this might not always be possible. It's important to note that we are in no way affiliated with any brand of devices we sell. We simply choose the best, most reliable hardware to preload our cryptocurrency mining software onto. So what's stopping you? The world of cryptocurrency mining may seem daunting, but with a preloaded mini PC, it's as easy as plug and play. These devices are compact, efficient, and ready to start earning from the moment you switch them on. Plus, they're a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of crypto without needing any prior knowledge or experience. In a world where digital currency is quickly becoming a norm, now is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Try out a preloaded mini PC for yourself. Who knows? You might just find a new hobby, or better yet, a new source of income. Dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining with a preloaded mini PC. Your journey to becoming a crypto enthusiast starts here.